This is Eric Hunter here, and I want to show you a really cool pendulum. It's the Dragon pendulum. Oops, got it hooked on one of its claws there. So the Dragon pendulum is a really cool design that I have out. You can see it's highly detailed on, look at all the detail on the wings. It's on the front and the back, very highly detailed sculptured pendulum. And there are two varieties. One is that silver color, and the other one is this black color. And this pendulum is really cool. Um, it moves very easily. So you can use it for dowsing, but you can also use it for healing and for manifestation and magic. And it has really super strong energy. So this is definitely one of the stronger pendulums out there. I'll send some healing to you. Send love and healing to whoever's watching this video. And sorry, it keeps going in and out. I don't have a green screen set up, so it's kind of like cutting out, but it's not going into the ether. So the Dragon is a super cool pendulum. It's totally unique. There's nothing else like this that's anyone has ever made, to be honest with you. I'm the first person to ever do it. And it's really cool. I always loved dragons when I was a kid. I always had like models of dragons and I drew pictures of dragons. And as an adult, I had kind of lost that. But now, as I approach the age of 50, I'm getting back into my interest in dragons here. So I created this dragon pendulum, and it's super detailed, really sturdy, has super strong energy. This is great for doing magic, for doing pendulum magic, doing any kind of manifestation. It's also good for healing because it has super strong energy, and you can feel it if you're a clairvoyant or clairsensitive. You can feel that energy coming out of this thing. It's pretty amazing. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that pendulum because it's one of the new ones I have, and only a few people have discovered it so far. Those who have really enjoy it, but I want more of you to discover it because it's super cool, and I know you'll absolutely love it. I mean, I love it, and I can't imagine I'm alone. Like what the Game of Thrones show is one of the most popular shows ever made. It's got dragons in it, right? Well, a lot of us, if you were around in the 70s or the 80s, there was that famous Puff the Magic Dragon or the Dungeons and Dragons, game. So anyway, but in all seriousness, this is a really amazing pendulum. It's highly sculptured, highly detailed, very beautiful, nice representation of a dragon. It has super strong energy, and it comes in two different varieties. There's a silver one and a black one. So check it out. I guarantee you, if you're into dragons at all, you'll absolutely love this pendulum. It's super cool. All right, thanks. Have a great day. Bye.